Microsoft 365 is a suite of productivity applications that can help you get things done more efficiently. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Microsoft 365. What is Microsoft 365? Microsoft 365 is a subscription-based service that provides access to a suite of software applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and many others. It's designed to help you work more efficiently by providing powerful tools for communication, collaboration, and productivity. Word is a word processing application that allows you to create and edit documents. With Word, you can easily format text, add images, and create tables. It also has a powerful spell check and grammar check tool to help you create error-free documents. Excel is a spreadsheet application that allows you to organize and analyze data. With Excel, you can create charts and graphs, perform calculations, and create pivot tables to help you visualize your data. PowerPoint is a presentation application that allows you to create dynamic presentations. With PowerPoint, you can add animations, transitions, and multimedia to your slides to make your presentation more engaging. Outlook is an email application that allows you to manage your email, calendar, and contacts in one place. With Outlook, you can easily schedule meetings, send and receive emails, and organize your contacts. Teams is a collaboration application that allows you to chat, meet, call, and collaborate with your team members. With Teams, you can share files, co-author documents, and hold virtual meetings with people from all over the world. OneDrive is a cloud storage application that allows you to store and share files securely. With OneDrive, you can access your files from anywhere and share them with others, even if they don't have Microsoft 365. Why use Microsoft 365? There are many benefits to using Microsoft 365. First, it's a subscription-based service, which means you always have access to the latest version of the software. Second, it's easy to collaborate with others using Microsoft 365. You can share files, co-author documents, and hold virtual meetings with people from all over the world. Finally, Microsoft 365 is secure and reliable, so you can rest assured that your data is safe. How to get Microsoft 365? Now that you know what Microsoft 365 is and what it offers, let's talk about how to get it. You can purchase Microsoft 365 directly from Microsoft's website, or you can buy it from a third-party retailer. Once you purchase a subscription, you'll be able to download the software and start using it right away. Microsoft 365 plans. There are several different Microsoft 365 plans to choose from, depending on your needs. The most popular plans are Microsoft 365 Personal and Microsoft 365 Family. Microsoft 365 Personal is designed for one person and includes access to all of the core applications, as well as 1 TB of OneDrive storage. Microsoft 365 Family is designed for up to 6 people and includes access to all of the core applications, as well as 6 TB of OneDrive storage. Microsoft 365 Business Plans. If you are a business owner, Microsoft 365 also offers a range of business plans. These plans include additional features like Exchange email hosting, SharePoint, and Microsoft Teams, which are designed to help you collaborate and communicate with your team more effectively. Microsoft 365 Education Plans. For educators and students, Microsoft 365 offers a range of education plans. These plans include access to all of the core applications, as well as additional features like Microsoft Forms and Microsoft Classroom, which are designed to help teachers manage their classrooms and engage their students. Microsoft 365 also offers a range of security and compliance features to help protect your data and ensure that you comply with relevant regulations. These features include data loss prevention, mobile device management, and advanced threat protection. Tips for using Microsoft 365. Take some time to explore all of the applications available in Microsoft 365. You might be surprised at how many tools are available to you. Use templates. Microsoft 365 comes with a variety of templates that can save you time and effort. Whether you are creating a presentation or writing a resume, there's likely a template that can help. Learn keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can help you work more quickly and efficiently. Take some time to learn the shortcuts for your favorite applications. Take advantage of collaboration features. Microsoft 365 includes a range of collaboration features, such as co-authoring and real-time editing. These features can help you work more effectively with your team. Back up your data. While Microsoft 365 includes some built-in backup features, it's always a good idea to back up your data regularly. Consider using an external hard drive or a cloud-based backup service. Frequently asked questions. Before we end this video, let's address some common questions about Microsoft 365. Q. Can I use Microsoft 365 on multiple devices? Yes, you can use Microsoft 365 on multiple devices as long as you sign in with the same Microsoft account. Q. What happens if I cancel my subscription? If you cancel your subscription, you'll still have access to the software until the end of your current billing period. After that, you'll no longer be able to use the software unless you renew your subscription. Q. Can I try Microsoft 365 before I buy it? Yes, Microsoft offers a free trial of Microsoft 365. You can sign up for the trial on Microsoft's website. Q. What happens to my data if I cancel my subscription? If you cancel your subscription, your data will be saved for a limited time so that you can download it or transfer it to another service. After that time period, your data will be deleted. Q. Is Microsoft 365 secure? Yes, Microsoft 365 includes a range of security features to protect your data. However, it's always a good idea to follow best practices for data security, such as using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. Additional resources. If you want to learn more about Microsoft 365, there are plenty of resources available to you. 1. Microsoft's website. Microsoft's website offers a wealth of information about Microsoft 365, including plans, features, and pricing. 2. Microsoft's YouTube channel. Microsoft's YouTube channel includes a variety of videos about Microsoft 365, including tutorials and demos. 3. Microsoft support site. If you have questions or need help with Microsoft 365, Microsoft support site is a great place to start. You can search for answers to common questions or contact support directly. 4. Microsoft's community forums. Microsoft's community forums are a great place to connect with other users and get advice and support. Before we end this video, we want to remind you that the information in this video is accurate as of the time of recording, but Microsoft 365 is a constantly evolving product, so some details may have changed. We encourage you to check Microsoft's website for the latest information. Closing thoughts. As we come to the end of this video, we want to leave you with a few closing thoughts about Microsoft 365. Firstly, Microsoft 365 is a powerful suite of applications that can help you work more efficiently and effectively. With a range of plans and features to choose from, there's something for everyone, whether you are an individual, a small business owner, or a large corporation. Secondly, by following the tips we've discussed, you can get the most out of Microsoft 365. Take some time to explore all of the applications, use templates, learn keyboard shortcuts, and take advantage of collaboration features. Finally, if you have any questions or need help with Microsoft 365, there are plenty of resources available to you, including Microsoft's website, YouTube channel, support site, and community forums. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics of Microsoft 365 to advanced features and collaboration tips. Whether you are a new user just getting started with Microsoft 365 or a seasoned pro looking to take your productivity to the next level, we hope you've gained some valuable insights from this video. If you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your productivity journey with Microsoft 365.